your fucking face down.
Okay, here you go, faggot.
I don't think they can see me.
Nigga, you can almost see it when the video's done. On my channel and watch.
Oh, yeah. So you can see me?
But, yeah. Okay, stick it in the black square. Nigga, what the hell?
You know what you do if 20,000 Saudi Arabians came in your house and trail raped you?
Dude, what the hell am I supposed to do here?
What would you do?
Kill them all.
That's what?
Bare hands, clawing out the floats, whipping out their hearts, making their kids watch it. I eat it.
What the fuck? You did this messed up.
Dude, I'm still trying to figure out what this is.
Mr. Earl, can you help me with this?
Oh God, he's calling you gay.
Mr. Holbrook, can you help me with this?
You know who it is, man.
Really?
Number
Who you
one, stick
mow?
it in black hole. Stick it in black hole. Stick.
Who is that?
Nigga, what?
Mr. Holbrook, can you help me?
I
Shit's
think
just
that might be
tripping.
Phyllis or that might
Alright, I'm coming. On the way.
No, I'm just gonna take a picture.
Okay.
Oh, mate. Yeah, I didn't take it.
Cell pattern.
Awesome.
B.
She's ugly. Janda bear. God damn. Ooh. That's Janda bear. No, that's Janda bear. I'm just gonna block it after this break. God damn. Watch it. What?
Yeah, man. You know you are.
Hold on.
Damn it. Damn it. Fuck. Shit, bullshit. This some bullshit. And this, and then this.
I think you got it for you.
Stick it in the black hole.
Good like a big herd. I would fuck the hell out of this Kaylee.
Wait, let me see.
Look at this bloke. She hangs out with Jackson.
Damn it. So that's the end of this video. Y'all pieces of shit.